Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Well, welcome to my channel. If you're new, well, welcome. Today we are going to Fgnormal sent me 3 beautiful paintings to share with you guys, so I hope you will like them. Okay, so the first one is called Cat. Now, check out this cat, guys. I mean, very, very sophisticated cat. Don't you just love him? He's got, actually, you know what? I just realized there's a little mouse on top of his hat. It's like a top hat. And then he's got a nice, cute little bow and a little red nose. And he's got, it's not sunglasses. I don't know what those are called when you only have one. It's like a lens. Is that what it is? I don't know. Is that? I can't really tell, but I think that's what it is. Well, anyway, it's just gorgeous. And look at all the green in the background. This is what you call a cool cat. Anyway, this is a 30 by 30 centimeter, and it's got 15 colors, okay, which is not bad. Super sticky, very clear. So let me bring up Cool Cat. His name, it's actually called Cat, but I think he's a cool cat. Look at his little bow. All right, so, and it comes with a boat, a tray, wax, and a pen. And these are the colors. So it's got 15 wonderful colors. Let me get this open very quickly. If I can get it open. I don't know why. This always gives me a hard time. There it is. Oh my gosh. There we go. Sorry about the noise. Okay. Let's look at these beautiful colors. And I love that they're always in order. And I'm going to turn the other way where you can see the colors better. So this must be for the little mouse. Yep. And then you have, I think that's like a dark blue or black. Some grays, lots of grays actually. A little bit of brown, that's probably for his glass, his lens. Light gray, light blue. It's like a red. Lots of blues, lots of grays, and lots of greens. Actually, is it the same? Yep. Yep, that's the same color, 228. Very nice. Love this one, guys. Super cool cat. All right, let's go on to the next one. Let's put them over here. All right, the next one, oh, by the way, I forgot to mention, this one is $4.56. Pretty good price. Okay, the next one is called Happy Bear. And it's, I thought it'd be perfect for Christmas. It's around the corner. And it says Happy Christmas, and it's a teddy bear hugging a little reindeer. I guess they're buddies. Just very adorable. And then you have snow coming down, some snow. It's just adorable. Okay, this one is 30 by 30 centimeters. It's got 23 beautiful colors. It's very clear. And super sticky. And this one is $4.56 also. $4.56, just like the cat. And this one's called Happy Bear. Okay, and it comes with a pen, tray, and some wax. Okay, and these are the colors. This one has 23 colors. It's the same size as cat, but this one has more colors. And I apologize again for the sound, but that's unavoidable. Okay, let's see. I'm going to turn the colors this way so you can see them. And these are in order also. So you have, I think this is like a dark purple. And that's a purple. This is a 310, so this is black. And you have grays, purple, green, lots of blues. Look at those beautiful blues, guys. That's probably for the background. And then you have like a chocolate brown, off-white. Wow, this is a very pretty green, a blue, It's like a red and lots of more blues, and this is like a mustard color. Very nice. Love the colors on this one. And you have white, like a tan, and a light, very pretty purple. Okay. And one more, guys, one more. Put that over there. Absolutely beautiful, perfect for Christmas. Now this one is called Christmas Cardinal Bird. This one I absolutely love because it's a beautiful cardinal. It's sitting on a mailbox, very pretty mailbox, and it's very Christmassy. Love all the pretty colors, the red. I think this is like a little wreath. And let me see if I can see the picture. Yeah, it's just very adorable. Now this one, guys, is a 30 by 40, and it's got 23 colors, just like this one, the Happy Bear. Also 23 colors, but yet this one's bigger. So that one just has a lot of colors. But it's absolutely gorgeous. I love everything about this painting. It's got like little berries. Very pretty. All right, so this is a 30 by 40 centimeters, 23 colors. This one is $5.70, and I did forget to mention that they are all full round drills. Okay. None of them have ABs, which is okay, because if you want to add ABs, you can. Very sticky. Let me bring them up so you can see that beautiful red cardinal. I mean, who doesn't like cardinals? And look how clear that is. And that beautiful mailbox with a little wreath. It's like a little home, the mailbox. Just simply beautiful. Love it. Okay, so this one also comes with a tray, wax, and a pen. And let us look at the beautiful colors. And let's see if I can get this open. Ah, there it is. Now this one comes in different baggies. So actually, I don't have to probably not take them out. I'm just gonna do this so you can see them. See that? It's got lots of blues. It's got brown, green. And then you've got the pinks and the reds. That's for the birdies or the cardinals. Actually, is that another bird there? No, that's not another bird. And then you have brown, green. Just beautiful colors, guys. All right. So let's bring the three of them out. And this one, like I said, is $5.70. So let's bring them all out. It's perfect for Christmas. Christmas is around the corner. All right. Absolutely beautiful. And I would like to thank Fgnormal for sending me these beautiful paintings. And so have a wonderful rest of the day. Bye-bye, guys. Thank you.